Rode up on the reservation, sunny. We saw boxes on the coast of the line of St. Louis. It was the air to San Orlando and money, and the town said, how did a middle class divorcee do it? The wedding was charming, the little gauche was only so far. Money goes, and at home we call it holiday house. Parties would taste, but we were a little loud. The doctor told him to settle down. Must have been hurt from this holiday vow. And they said, there goes the last great American dynasty. Who knows if she met short what could have been? There goes the maddest woman this town has ever seen. She had a marvelous time, ruining everything. Give me the keys, I'll bring the car back home. We shouldn't be in this town. And so-called friends, they don't know. Drive away before I let you go. So give me reasons, don't say no. There's a chain around your throat, and some paperwork I wrote. I'm waiting for you. There's a key on the chain, there's a picture in the frame. Take it with you and run from the law. Darling, let's run from it all. We can go where our lives can take us. Go where no one else sees. Run. They say she was seen on occasion, facing the rocks staring out at the midnight sea. And then, with the neighbors, she stole his dog and died to keep my green 50. This is a long time, holiday outside, driving on that beach. We are women with madness, and then bad habits, and then it was bought by me. Darling, let's run from it all. There goes the last great American dynasty. Who knows if she ever showed what could have been? There goes the loudest woman this town has ever seen. Darling, let's run.